Hello everyone, this is Joy at Easy Clean Ultrasonic Technology. Today I'm going to introduce our Tabletop ultrasonic cleaners. This is swift, degassing, and power adjustable series. Now let's look at the machine. The operation field is with ergonomic design, concave 20 degree, wide field of vision, easy to operate. This is ultrasonic button. Once it is on, you can set the time from 1 minute to 30 minutes. By pressing these two buttons, this is a heater. You can adjust the temperature from 20 degree to 80 degree by pressing these two buttons as well. The degassing function draws out the air from the liquid. To avoid the cleaning object on station, it is a way of ultrasonic vacuum cleaning to make the cleaning effect better. The ultrasonic sweeps back and forth in the range of action, driving the cleaning solution to form a subtle reflux so that the dirt is quickly removed from the workpiece surfaces, enhancing the cleaning effect and improving the cleaning efficiency. This is power adjustable knob. The higher ultrasonic power, the greater ultrasonic intensity, the stronger ability to remove dirt. Some pressing workpieces need a variety of intensity. You can adjust knob to get the appropriate ultrasonic power for fine washing. The handles are for easy to move. This is the drainage valve. This is a cooling fan. It is to cool the machine and extend the service life. Now let's look at the back side. This is a plug port. This is a double safety switch. It makes the machine very safe and secure. Our industrial standard power cable is soft and heat resistant. The cleaning basket and the working tank is stainless steel 304. It is corrosion resistant. The tank body is one-time forming without welding. It is waterproof without potential leakage. We offer a great variety of tank sizes from 3 liters to 30 liters. You can choose whichever you need. We also can customize the sizes as per your needs. Once the cleaning is completed and the machine is turned off, you can use a clean dry rag to clean the tank body and its periphery after pouring out the cleaning agent. The maintenance is also very important. First, keep the machine clean and cut off power if you don't use it. Second, keep away from the heat source and avoid to store in a humid environment. Third, do dust and moisture protection. Easy Clean Ultrasonic makes cleaning easier. Remember to follow us. Get to know more about ultrasonic cleaning. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.